My name is Ombongi Kwamboka. I'm the school head girl of the Kapsabet Girls High School. I take this opportunity to thank the President for coming to grace this occasion. It is a privilege and we do not take it for granted, right? So today is a big day for Kapsabet Girls High School. We've seen you. It was a dream and it is fulfilled. I believe that the promises that you've told us here, you're going to fulfill them. I am confident enough. And I have no any doubt because I believe when mtu akusema na kutenda. So on behalf of the students, about the bread, we were just requesting that whatever it is, we will appreciate. Because I don't want to be specific on what we want, because the desires are a lot, right? Yes. But we believe that you are a man who is going to do it for us, and we want to say thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, my dear. You said you are a small head girl of a great. You said what? What do you do? I was very careful on what she said. She said, small head girl of a great. That is phenomenal. So thank you very much for your comments. I confirm. Wakati uliniambia pale, uliniambia wewe ndio kusema. Na nimeconfirm kweli, wewe ndio kusema. Because you have spoken on behalf of these 1,600 girls. And therefore, I'm going to give you and your teacher 1 million shillings to buy, kufanya. Sindio? Kununua mkate, sindio? Alafu nitarudi hapa siku hiyo ingine, tutakuja kuongea zaidi.